Welcome to chemistry class. Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. For the last time, hello students, you're highly welcome to your chemistry class. In our last class, we looked at the reactions of ethene. Today, we're giving attention to the preparation and uses of ethene. Your presenter remains E.B. Christian. But before we look at the preparation and use, let's look at alkene generally. What are the alkenes? Now, alkenes are hydrocarbons with pi bond. You know, pi bonds are otherwise called double bond. Okay, good. With general molecular formula of CnH2n, where n is a positive whole number with which is equal to or greater than 2, as CH2 does not exist. The first four members of this group are gases, while from carbon 5 to carbon 13 are liquids, and then the higher ones are solid. So the presence of double bonds makes them to be more reactive. All right, let's look at the preparation of ethene from cracking. First of all, what's cracking? Cracking is the process of breaking down of a large compound to a smaller compound by subjecting it to high temperature and pressure, usually in the presence of catalysts. It is one of the ways ethene is prepared. This is by heating heptadecane C17H36 to obtain ethene, among other fractions, according to the reaction below. So you can see the reaction here. You can see C17H36, a liquid, that is heptadecane. When you heat it, subjecting to cracking, it gives you C8H18, and that is octane. Then 3 molecules of ethene, that is C2H4, that is ethene, and also C3H6, that is propane. These are other fractions that are formed, but the main thing we are concerned with is ethene. All right, so ethene from ethanol. How is ethene prepared from ethanol? Ethene can be prepared from ethanol by heating ethanol with excess concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid at 170 degrees Celsius, forming ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6, which is then subjected to hydrolysis to yield the required ethene, that is C2H4. C2H4. So you can see the reaction here. You can see C2H5OH, that is ethanol. When aqueous ethanol react with H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, otherwise called tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, it leads to the formation of C2H5HSO4, that is ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 in water is liberated. Okay, good. Now, if you pick this ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulfate 6 and subject it to hydrolysis by addition of water, if you add water to this guy now, you're going to have C2H4, that is ethene, and then the sulfuric acid is recovered. It's recovered. So that's the reaction. This is the first reaction, and this is the second reaction. Okay, all right, let's use diagram to illustrate. Look at it now. If you, this is a round bottom flask, this is a thermometer, and then this is the stand, this is heat. When you put concentrated sulfuric acid and ethanol together in this round bottom flask and heat it, when it gets to a temperature of 170 degrees Celsius, you see that ethene gas will be liberated. When the gas is liberated, it gets into this conical flask. Now, this is empty conical flask. The essence of this empty conical flask is to prevent this sodium hydroxide here from bouncing back up, from sucking back into this reagent. So this empty flask has to be brought in between it so that it will not suck back. Okay, good. Now, the essence of this sodium hydroxide is to absorb other impurities. During the production, there are some impurities that are formed alongside with the ethene, such as carbon 4 oxide and sulfur 4 oxide. These are impurities that are formed alongside with the gas. So you have to use this sodium hydroxide to remove them, and then the pure gas called ethene is now collected over water. It is collected over water because it is not soluble in water. So this is the gas here that is collected here. So this is the diagrammatic setting or setup for the laboratory preparation of ethene. Okay, now let's look at the uses of ethene. Ethane is used for preparation of important compounds like ethane, ethanol, ethanoic acid, ethane 1,2-diol, among others. Okay, good. Number 2, it is used for making plastics like polyethylene, also polychloroethylene, known as polyvinyl chloride, PVC. PVC, these are plastics and they are produced from ethane. Number 3, it is used for production of synthetic rubber like styrene, butadiene rubber, SBR. This rubber that are produced from ethane. Number 4, in low concentration, that is at low concentration, ethene is used to ripen fruits. They are used to ripen fruits. So those are the uses of ethene. Thanks for watching.